Well, your favorite iteration of the vlog is back. We got a full beam vlog today. You guys like these beams. Well, when you see the beams in about 35 seconds, you're gonna lose it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We got a good video, a big video. We are buying a car. I'm so excited for this car. Probably the most excited I've been for a car in quite a while. And you guys have been doubting me for so long. For the last 9 years on my YouTube channel, you've told me I hate this brand. I don't hate this brand. I've just been waiting for the right car, and we found it. This mysterious car we're buying today, we know we're buying it today, we just don't know what we're paying for it, and that's because yours truly is competing in a very competitive pickleball tournament. I know that seems odd, and it is odd. We're playing pickleball today. In my past, I was quite the pickleball player, so stick around. As I said on the onset, the beam vlog is dope. So they're gonna start laying the second story floor and then maybe even the second story walls later on in today's video. But like I said, we're buying a car today. We gotta go get some cash. I'm gonna try to explain this the best that I can. So last night I test drove this elusive car. The owner and I are negotiating back and forth on purchase price, and then kind of sort of out of nowhere, he's like, James, I'll make you a deal. If you can beat me in a game of pickleball, I'll give you a $10,000 discount. If you don't, you pay the full asking price. So it's like, okay, I've never played pickleball in my entire life. And I Googled him, and I guess he's like a World Series champion of pickleball. So yeah. So I have two checks right here. One is the discounted rate if I win, and the other check is for $10,000 that I really hope we get to tear up later today. This stupid pickleball game is for $10,000. I don't even know how to play pickleball. I am so incredibly nervous right now. I can feel the butterflies in my throat. What are we doing? When I think about my athletic endeavors, in middle school I played Parks and Rec basketball, and in high school I was on the JV baseball team before getting cut, and I finished last in every single cross country race. So athletic I am not, but enthusiastic I am. Well, we have officially arrived to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in the beautiful state of Utah. Ladies and gentlemen, check this thing out. We have the Rally Fighter, which is not my new car. My new car is right over there. It is so dope. You guys are gonna love it. But first, pickleball. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the VIP celebrity, the World Series of Pickleball champion, Robert right here. Hi. Robert has a gift for me.
Well, we had a special racket made for him since he said he hasn't played a lot, and this is a very important game, so I'd like to present you this special racket as a token of...
Luke, stop laughing! That's Luke's evil laugh. I need some motivation. I need a pep talk, John. What do you got? Give me something.
All I say, good luck.
Good luck. This is not my funeral.
Good luck.
Good luck. Wow, these guys. This is for $10,000. If I lose this game, we have to cut your salary.
Here's what I'm saying. Just pay the money already, because I just watched him warm up. He's incredible.
Last time I played pickleball, I was in the 9th grade. I didn't want to say how long ago that was. So, first to 11 wins 10K.
Ooh.
Oh! Match point. I can barely stand up, but it ain't over. That's over. What a game. What a game. Mad respect. He went easy on me too. Nice feelings.
No, he didn't. That was fun.
I'm like all gimping around. pouring sweat right now. Robert didn't even skip a beat. He's not breathing heavy. There's no sweat to be found. This is who I am. It's been about 35 minutes since my humbling defeat and I can still barely walk and my face is still flush red. We took an L, but we took a W as well. You guys have been telling me for 9 years I need to buy this car. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on the 16th of November, 2021, we bought a Porsche. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, we finally bought a Porsche, but not just any Porsche, a Safari 911. This Porsche is so sick. Like, the attention to detail is second to none. It was built by Kelly Moss Racing. Like, just look at this light bar with all the integrated carbon fiber. We have the BFG mud terrain tires, and check out this interior. The level of detail on this thing is so sick. Just like, check out these full racing seats. We have the 5-point harnesses right there, fire extinguisher in the back, the full roll cage. So it's a 1991 Porsche 964 that's been converted into a Safari 5-speed manual transmission. And just look at the size of this handbrake. We are gonna get in so much trouble in this thing. Just like, look at the door panels. Like, the detail is almost Singer-esque, but it's a Safari. Like, we can take this anywhere we want. We've officially reached the moment of truth. Robert, are you sure you want to sell it? Are you sure? I got the payment right here.
I don't want to sell it, but you look so happy I'm going to have to.
We are going to have so much fun. If you ever want to come out and rally with us, teach me how to drive it, you're more than welcome. And you can bring the rally fighter with us. That would be dope to take them both out to the sand.
I'm in.
Well, there's that check. And then we have the second check for the additional $10,000. Your pickleball world championship winning check right there.
Well, you know, this is a lot more meaningful to me than this one. I love this one. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Dude, thank you. I'm so excited to own your beautiful car. We're gonna have so much fun. Thank you.
Enjoy. Thanks.
There's kind of sort of like a specific technique to actually turn on this car. So, put the key in. Let the fuel pump prime. Wait until you can't hear the fuel pump. So it's kind of crazy. If I stall it, we don't really get a second chance. I'll explain that later because we're not gonna stall it.
You gotta keep revving after.
What do you mean, oh no?
Okay, just wait, don't do it.
What do you mean, oh no?
No, just wait.
Why didn't you start it up, John? Oh, great. Oh no.
Once you got going, you're supposed to just keep it going.
This is take 2. We're gonna be totally fine. Oh no. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal. We should just turn it back on, but there's kind of sort of a fuel pump. Well, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
Keep it revving. Keep revving. Keep revving.
Keep it revving? How long?
Keep it revving. You gotta keep it warmed up.
There's just a lot of technique to turning on this car. You only get one opportunity. We got 2 opportunities, which I'm thankful for. If we stall this car, the fuel pump, it has to rest for like an hour and a half and you can't turn the car on. We're gonna get it fixed, but for now, yeah. I can't begin to describe to you guys how sick this thing is. The supercharger ride to the moon. I think it's completely possible that this is the coolest car that we have. I wish you guys could be here. When we accelerate, the whole front end lifts up. This thing is so dope. The 1-2 punch with the Gladiator 6x6 and the Safari 911. I can only imagine. I can only imagine what people are thinking. Wow, that Gladiator looks so dope on the road though. What have we done? This is sick. I can only imagine what my neighbors are gonna think when they see the 911 Safari. The great thing about the 911 Safari, it's still obnoxious and annoying just like my personality because it has a carbon fiber light bar and a lift kit and BFG mud terrain tires, yet it's still classy because it's a Porsche, not a Porsche. Porsche. I still can't believe like we own a 911 Safari. I waited so long for my first Porsche and this is definitely worth the wait. This carbon fiber on this light bar, just how everything is integrated and the way the car squats when you accelerate. So they got big time updates at the house and Luke obviously needs to go for a ride in the Safari.
Absolutely.
But as I mentioned, I cannot under any circumstances whatsoever stall this car because if I do, we can't turn it back on for like an hour and a half. We gotta wait for the fuel to drain out of the fuel pump, I think. I know that might not make sense. I don't know what the issue is, but there's an issue. If I stall it, we're stranded. So Luke just made an excellent point. 2 weeks ago, I almost bought that Tesla Model S Plaid for $160,000. Instead, we bought a 1991 Porsche 911 Safari.
This thing is so
much cooler. Porsche fanboys, that's for you. Tesla fanboys, you hate me now. Well, we gained Porsche, but we lost Tesla, but we never had Tesla, so it didn't matter. Luke just tightened his 4-point harness. Go. Oh, that supercharger sounds good. This car is so sick. Send your son. Go. Of course, the first place we're gonna wheel the Safari is on my property. Luckily, my neighbors hasn't moved in yet, so we should be good. If I stall it though, at least it's on my own property. I want to send it so hard, but we just bought it, and I spent a lot of money on this thing. But could you imagine a donut track there someday? Or maybe just right now, but if I stall it, we're kind of sort of in a bad situation. These guys are just like working around the clock. We now have stairs almost all the way up to the second story. It is getting so surreal every step along the way. And check this out. What? It's so fun here because every time we come, it's like Christmas morning. Oh yeah, they cleaned all that out. We added another interior wall, so this gives you a really nice footprint of the gymnasium. That's right. We should have a pickleball court though.
Count this up, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 beams. That's a big beam, baby.
The beam blog. The best iteration of the beam blog. But bro, we need a pickleball court, don't you think?
Yes, right there.
I just got handed by Robert. Like,
The money that you spent losing, you could have built a pickleball court right there.
that is an excellent point, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep for 2 weeks. I definitely have to give a huge shout out to the whole construction crew here at the house. They're like working around the clock. So I'm actually heading to Mexico tomorrow morning. I'll be back in a couple days, and by the time I get back, I bet the floors are done, the second story is done. They're actually getting ready to lay the floor over the garage right now. I still can't believe I finally own my first Porsche, and it's a 964 911 Safari. This thing is so sick. I can't wait for some of you guys to see this car in person. Like, the attention to detail is so incredible. I'm gonna be taking this to all the local car shows. And yes, if today's video, well, I was gonna say if today's video gets 137,000 likes, we're gonna send it in the next video, but we're gonna send it anyway. So today's video is over. Oh, no, bro.
I got a flight to catch, bro.
It was reversed.
I gotta go to Disneyland.
He's going to Disneyland with the wife and the kid. I gotta go to Mexico. Oh no. Okay, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it, wait for it. Patience is essential. Come on, baby, come on, Porsche. It's my first Porsche. I love you so much. I love you so much. Please start up. Why is it taking so long?
Why are you violating everyone's eardrums?
I'm not violating anybody's eardrums. I'm sitting in my dead Porsche, okay? Oh! Yes!
I get to make it to Disneyland!
What? She just died! Why did she just die?